Hey, it's Spence from WP Launchify with your WordPress tip of the day. Today I'm geeking out. I got myself a new webcam, a 4K. It's called the OBSBOT Meet 2. Cost me about $125 on Amazon. I actually have three webcams that I'm trying. One is my original standby, the Logitech 920C that I got during COVID. It's only about $35 today. During COVID, it cost me a liver and a gallon of blood. The other one I've been using, which I'm not happy with, is the Elgato Facecam 1080p. And I'm not happy with it for this reason you see on the screen. It doesn't have the controls that even the Logitech has for pan and tilt. Now, because of my back issues and otherwise, I have a standing desk where I will sit or stand. And when I'm doing my webcam stuff, you know, I move my face around here. But I was unable to adjust the controls. Plus, it looked very grainy during the webinars on Fridays when I would go to full screen. The OBSBOT has all of the things I need. It's about the size of a postage stamp. But more importantly, right off the bat, even though it has AI controls to scan and center me, I've turned them off in favor of this one tool, the gimbal and zoom. Here's what it does. If I reset it, this is my normal setting. It's got a gimbal here that no matter which the zoom place I'm at, I can adjust exactly where I am. And then I can just use the presets for various degrees of zooming in and out. But even with that, it has really great range of what I can do. And the most important part for me is that I can turn on, if I want, the auto framing and let it do some AI magic or use the hand controls. But when I turn that off, I can get really precise and set myself up for a good result. It's portable. It can work on my laptop. It has a magnetic stand. But right now I've just got it sitting on top right next to my other camera, and I can dial this bad boy in. I also think that even without using the image controls here, the beauty controls, I get good results. But for those who need it, you can have blur in the background. You can retouch your face. You can even use filters on the whole scene, which, you know, I kind of think look kind of weird. The retouching might be nice. If I wanted, if I go into man mode, I can go ahead and adjust the amount of stuff, or I can go into female mode and put on some lipstick or something. Right now, I use none of them. I really love this camera. Hopefully it'll get better results for me when I do my office hours as well as my videos. Right now I'm running it through Loom, which doesn't have the greatest processing and compression, but it gets the job done. We'll see how this does. And I hopefully have given you some things to think about if you're in the market for a webcam as well. See you on the next video.